students, welcome back to the social class Rocks and Soil Part 2. We are going to learn uses of rocks. Rocks have been used by mankind throughout the history. Rocks are highly valuable and important to almost all aspects of our economy. The minerals and metals in rocks have been found essential to human civilization. Rocks are used for many purposes. It is used for making writing chalk and fireworks, building materials, bath scrub, curbstone, roofing materials, decorative materials, and cement. Rocks are useful for making ornament and are valuable sources of minerals such as gold, diamond, sapphires, rubies, etc. One of the wonders of the world, Taj Mahal, in India, was built by white marble in a metamorphic rock. Marbles are widely used for making beautiful statues and decorative items. Next, we will learn about soil and its formation. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that support life. It forms on the surface of the earth and is known as the skin of the earth. Soil are produced from rocks, parent material, through the process of weathering and natural erosion and pressure differences that help break down parent material. It leads to the formation of loose material. In course of time, they further break down into fine particles. This process releases the minerals locked in the rock fragments. Later on, vegetative cover developed in that region forms humus content in the soil. This way, the soil gets matured gradually. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. Soil composition. The basic components of soil are 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% water, 25% air and others. It is only a generalized fact and composition of soil varies from place to place and time to time. Classification of soil. Soils are classified on the basis of their formation, color, physical and chemical properties. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Alluvial soil are found in the regions of river valleys, floodplains and coastal plains. It is the most productive of all soil, suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat and other food crops. Black soil are formed by weathering of igneous rocks. Black soil is clayey in nature and retentive of moisture and ideal for growing cotton. Red soil are formed by weathering of metamorphic and crystalline rocks. The presence of iron oxide makes the soil brown to red in color and usually found in semi-arid region. It is not a fertile soil, it is suitable for millet cultivation. Laterite soil. These soil are found in the tropical region where alternate wet and dry conditions prevail. It is formed by the process of leaching and it is infertile. It is suitable for plantation crops of tea and coffee. Mountain soil are found over the slopes of mountains and it is thin and acidic and differs from region to region based on the altitude. Desert soil are sandy soil found in the hot desert regions. These soils are porous, saline and infertile. Agriculture in these soils are not so successful. Soil profile. The soil profile is defined as the vertical section of the soil from the ground surface and extends downwards. Layers of soil. O horizon or humus. This layer is dominated by organic material consisting of leaves, twigs, moss and lichens. A. Horizon or topsoil. It is composed of organic matter mixed with mineral matter. E. Horizon or elevated layer. This layer is leached of clay, iron and aluminum oxides. B. Horizon or subsoil. This layer reflects the chemical or physical alteration of parent material. C. Horizon or parent rock. Partially weathered parent material accumulates in this layer. R. Horizon parent rock. This layer consists of unweathered part of bedrock. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal or destruction of the top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil, which in turn reduces the agricultural productivity. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. Sheet erosion, rill erosion, and gully erosion are the major types of soil erosion. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. The methods that are widely practiced for conserving soil are afforestation, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, strip farming, contour ploughing, terrace farming, checking shifting cultivation, windbreak, etc. are the other methods of soil conservation. Uses of soils. Soil is one of the important natural resources. It is a basic requirement for plant growth and supports various life forms on the earth. The minerals present in the soil enhance and nourishes the crops and plants. It is used in making of ceramics or pottery. It is also a source of material for construction and handicraft works. It acts as natural filter of water and purifies it. Soil supports ecosystem and plays an important role in land management. Rocks and soil are important renewable natural resource. As India is an agricultural country, proper management of soil resource is important. And we end this lesson with this. We shall join again with weather and climate in the next lesson. Revise well. Thank you, children.